In this video, I will show you how to remove Gmail account from iPhone. So let's get started. First, open Gmail app on your iPhone. Now tap on your profile icon located at the top right side. Now on the pop-up, you will find last option which is Manage Accounts on this device. Just tap on it. And here you will find all your Gmail accounts that are configured on your iPhone. Now for every account, you will also find an option Remove from this device. So just locate the account that you want to remove from your iPhone and then tap on Remove from this device. You will get a confirmation whether you want to remove the account from iPhone. Just tap on Remove option and within couple of seconds, the account will be removed from your iPhone. Now if you go back and check again, you will find that the account has already been removed from the iPhone. Note that this will not delete your Gmail account, but this will just remove Gmail configuration from your iPhone. So that is how you can remove Gmail account from your iPhone. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.